I'm going to go over this Diatomaceous earth powder duster right here. So this one can extend up to 4 feet. It's got an ergonomic design, anti-clog tank, even spray output, and wide applications. It's from the company Zeltork. Now this is everything I got with mine right here. Obviously you don't get the Diatomaceous earth, but I use the Harris Diatomaceous earth. That's what I normally go with. So I went ahead and put the extension on here. All you do is screw this little tip in right here into your little bucket, and then it runs down through here like that, and that's it. You can actually run another tip and make it even longer. You get a cleaning type hose right here. But let's go ahead, let's fill this thing up. We've got a little garden right here we're going to use the sprayer on. So we get a little scooper. I definitely like having a little scooper. Let's run that down in there like that. We've got a storm coming, so I want to try to get this done before the storm gets here. Just screw that in. Then that should be it, everybody. Oh, that worked out way better than I thought. Wow, that works out great. Now, Diatomaceous earth is, I think it's a mixture of crushed seashells and kind of like rocks and things like that. So it's one of the safest things for organic gardening that you can go with. There we go. Hit some of this. Looks like you want to stay flat like that. If you lean forward, what happens is it doesn't let the spray come out evenly. Let's go down to the short. Let's go on it to make it shorter. This is probably how I'll use it mostly. I was just using that to show that it worked. Oh yeah, I see those stupid beetles. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this at all. I think this will be a great kind of little duster. I also have an electric duster, but every now and then if I just want to like pick up this and spray down pretty fast, I think this will be the way to go. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Zeltork, hand duster. See you all in the next video.